Can you believe this watch only costs $20? Let's unbox it on the next Mix of Tech. Hi guys, welcome to Mix of Tech, where I review technology for the consumer to prosumer, and I give my take on the things I see. Today, I've got the Wyze 47mm watch. I've been waiting around for this since about 3 months ago. I ordered this in December, and it's just now in March, and I'm getting to unbox it today. Wyze is an amazing brand. They offer some really good tech for low cost, and I can say I've got multiple devices in my network. I've got my Wyze scale, I've got outdoor cams, and now this Wyze watch. Now, I do understand that this brand is going to have some delays, but they give good communication on those delays. All right, so let's unbox this. Okay, first off, we see the 47mm watch itself. Looks like it's got its band connected. Yep. So just in comparison between the 44mm watch that I have with my Apple Watch and 47, you can tell it's a little bit bigger. I'm a watch guy, so I really like bigger watch faces. In this case, I think it's a good fit. Now, I can understand they do have 44mm, but this one's a 47mm that I've got here today. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Pull it out through here, I would imagine. Yep, there we go. I'm expecting the charger to be magnetic, and I do have that here. So, I've got a magnet charger with the USB-A, and I know it's going to go to the back of the watch. Magnetically is connected to the back of the watch, and you do need to have it from one side that is going to magnetically connect easier. So you just connect it to a USB charger with the magnetic charger attached to the watch. So let's talk to what you get for $20. So you get a 47mm watch. You get something that's IP68 waterproofing. It has a heart rate sensor and a blood oxygen sensor. Also has the capability to monitor your sleep. And a few other little cool features that I'll try out. But for $20, that's pretty impressive. So I'm going to try to turn it on and see what it looks like for being turned on for the first time. All right, so it shows me a nice QR code, so I need to go get my phone, and let's get it connected to my account. I am going to add a device. See if we go to lifestyle, then we're going to go to the 47mm watch, allow camera access. Okay, now we're going to find the QR code again. Got the QR code, zooming in on it. Let's come out a little bit. There we go. Now it's pairing. It's asking me to keep it nearby. It's going to ask me if I can look at location. I'm going to always allow. And it's going to ask me, do I use it on my left or right wrist? I'm a left wrist watch guy. And then swipe left to see apps, swipe right to see data, swipe down to see notifications, and swipe up to the shortcuts. So swipe right to go back, long press to restart or shut down, and long press the screen to select face. All right, so we're going to enjoy our watch right now. So we're going to pair it. Firmware is updating, as most Wyze products will do. When you first get them, it's going to get a firmware update. We'll watch this go. Both are updating. All right, so while we're waiting for the update, I will say that you can change out these bands, and I know that the website has suggested that you need to pre-order and may not be readily accessible. So it's kind of like most smartwatches where you actually will detach the band from the back, and I think it's more like my Samsung Gear S3 versus the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is a lot easier because you just use the connection at the back right here, and then you pull it out, whereas these are more aligned to some of your Android watches and some of your Samsung watches where you have the pin back right here. So we can get right up to the pin and pull down on it. All right, so once you get the pins in, then you're pretty good. Let's see where we're at. All right, so now I've got the app, and I've actually got the first look at my watch face. Take the front screen protector off. So that's it on this unboxing video. For $20, you get a pretty amazing spec'd out watch. If you're interested in me doing a review, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already so that you can see this review and others, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining A Mix of Tech.